What is up? Welcome to this video. Welcome to another massive super episode right here on this IO the General. In this video, we are going to do opening files in Python, and we are going to provide you with a complete guide. So take your time, grab your VS Code, and sit back and see how you can do this. So Python actually makes file handling straightforward with its built-in functions, and whether you are reading data, writing results, or appending to logs, understanding how to properly open files is essential skill every Python developer needs to master. So the open function and modes, the Python's open function is your gateway to file operations, and its syntax is simple but very powerful. File is called to open file name and then the mode. Okay, so the mode, which is RWAX. So the mode parameter actually determines how you interact with the file, where we have the R, which is read, which the default opens file for read only, and then we also have the W, which writes, creates new file, or overwrites existing content. We also have the A for append, which opens for writing and add to the end of the file. We have, last but not the least, the X for exclusive create, which creates new file and fails if the file exists. So you can add B for binary mode, or T for default for text mode, and the like. Okay, so let's head on to the last. Opening and reading files, here are the best practices. So to open a file, we do file, and then this returns the file object you can actually work with. So where the file is, sometimes you may have a longer, but this is a file that is actually in the directory, and then we open it in read mode. We also have the process content, and then the content where we work with the content over here. So close the file, which is file.close, and always close files to free system resources. So for safer file handling, you use the wait statement, which automatically closes files. So here's an example of a wait statement for handling files in read mode, and you process the content, and then the file is automatically closed without having to use the file.close function method, which is closed outside the block. So it's recommended to use the wait statement when performing file operations, so that in case of any issues, the file will already be closed. Thank you for watching this video.